Okay.
What's up guys, good morning guys. So today I just want to relax and be taken care of. You get, I just came back from a run and I am so tired, but today I've decided to pamper myself. I feel like I walk too much. It may not really show that I walk too much, but I know I walk too much, and today I just really want to take care of myself. So this vlog is going to be more like a really chilled vlog. I'm not going to do anything that's going to stress me or stress my mind, and it's quite ironic that I'm saying that while I'm filming but trust me, wait till I'm done filming, I'm not even going to start editing immediately. I'm just going to sleep off and all that. So guys, I am done taking a shower. God, I enjoyed that shower. Guys, please forgive my wig or my hair, whatever. This is like a I don't care kind of wig. You know, this kind of wig that you just put on when you just want to like quickly run downstairs to just grab something. Yeah, this is. So guys, I want to actually use a mask. I have never ever tried this before. So this is the mask I'm going to be using. It's actually a Japanese brand or a Chinese brand, I don't even know, but yeah, I'm going to do this for the first time. And I'm also going to use an under eye pad when I'm done with the mask, because why not? Hydrated, guys. Is this how it is? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay.
I just thought I'll just come in here and do a little bit of a skincare routine for you guys. What's up guys? Hello guys, it's Linda here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If it's like small, like a lot of things from food stuff, back to rice, like a whole gallon of food. I'm not going to be buying any of these things anytime soon. This is my birthday present. As well as trying them on and sharing with you guys the details about
items I'm going to be showing you are in a size 6. I am a size 6, UK size 6.
On my YouTube.
Hello. Hello, Queen. I'm on your YouTube today. Oh, you remember your mom? Oh my God, thank you.
Say hi, Queenette subscribers.
Hello, Queenette subscribers. I'm happy that you're on Queenette's channel. Keep it up. Keep on subscribing, okay? Why are you laughing?
You guys, I am so ashamed of myself right now. I fall in the category of people that would eat and sleep immediately. I don't know why this happens to me, but sadly it does. Like, I don't know if I'm the only person, but whenever I eat, I always sleep, even if it's like so little. I mean, it was noodles, Indomie. I had Indomie and I ended up sleeping, and I think I slept for like an hour though. It's just so annoying. So whenever I know that I have anything hectic to do, like when I was in school and I know that I have school work, I do not eat, because I know that once I eat, I am so gone. But then again, I feel like it's part of the pamper day. I feel like I'll just take it like I had a nap. Yeah, I had a nap. I didn't film it. That's to show you that I didn't even know when I was going to doze off. I just, all of a sudden, I just saw myself sleeping and I just slept.
phone back.
I'll pay $2 per introduction.
That's